Good morning, students. Today we will discuss theorem 7.2 of chapter 7, which is based on the congruency of triangles. And what is the statement of this theorem? Angles opposite to the equal sides of an isosceles triangle are equal. यानी किसी आइसोसेलेस ट्राइंगल में अगर दो साइड्स इक्वल हों तो उनके सामने के एंगल्स भी इक्वल होते हैं, ये हमने प्रूव करना है. एंड व्हाट इज द गिवन along with the figure. I'll write the given. An isosceles triangle is given ABC, in which AB is equal to AC. Two sides are equal. In triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC. This is given. And what we have to prove? Angle B is equal to angle C. ये हमने प्रूव करना है. दो साइड्स इसमें AB और AC इक्वल दी है, तो इसके सामने का एंगल ये और इसके सामने का एंगल ये हमने इक्वल प्रूव करने हैं. Without construction it is not possible to prove the angles equal, so I'll make construction in this. And what is the construction? We can construct either the perpendicular or the bisector of angle A. Suppose AD is the bisector of angle A, that means angle 1 is equal to angle 2 if AD is the bisector. So I will write in the construction, draw the bisector of angle A which meets BC at point D. जो BC को किस पॉइंट पर मिलता है? D पर मिलता है. Now in the proof is important. पहले मैं एक्सप्लेन कर देता हूँ. Take two triangles ADB and ADC. In these two triangles, this side is equal to this, given angle 1, angle 2 from construction, because AD is the bisector and AD is common in both the triangles. So by side, angle, side congruency, both the triangles congruent, and then by CPCT we can prove angle B is equal to angle C. So first of all, in triangle ADB and triangle ADC, AB is equal to AC, this is given. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2 from construction. And third part, AD is equal to AD, which is common in both the triangles. So by side angle side rule, triangle ADB congruent to triangle ADC by side angle side rule. Therefore, angle B is equal to angle C by CP CT, corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Because these two triangles are congruent, therefore their corresponding angles, angle B and angle C, are equal, and only this is the theorem, hence proved. Now, the second theorem for this exercise, which is theorem 7.3, and which is the converse of this theorem. I will make a little bit changes in the statement. First of all, the sides opposite to equal angles, the sides opposite to equal angles of a triangle, not an isosceles, because angles are equal. The triangle will be isosceles, but the definition of isosceles triangle is if two sides are equal, then the triangle is isosceles. So, in the figure, this is not given. These two sides are not equal, but these two angles are equal. This is given. So, what is given? The sides opposite to equal angles of a triangle. Equal angles means equal angles are given. In triangle ABC, angle B is equal to angle C. It's given. To prove, we have to prove the sides. As I told you, this is the converse of previous theorem. उससे just उल्टी है. जो उसमें हमने प्रूव करना था वो इसमें गिवन है, और जो उसमें गिवन था वो इसमें प्रूव करना है. Construction, same step is the construction in this theorem also. Draw the bisector of angle A. एंगल A का bisector draw करते हैं जो BC को D पर मिलता है. Now, in triangle ADB and ADC, I will make changes again in the proof according to the given. Now, look at the figure. This angle is equal to this. This is given. ये दिया हुआ है स्टेटमेंट में. ये एंगल 1 एंगल 2 ये हमने कंस्ट्रक्शन में किया है बाइसेक्टर, तो एंगल 1 एंगल 2 के इक्वल है. एंड एडी कॉमन, तो एंगल साइड से क्या करेंगे? कॉन्ग्रुएंट. बाय यूजिंग द रूल एंगल साइड, आई विल मेक द टू ट्राइंगल्स कॉन्ग्रुएंट. एंगल बी इज इक्वल टू एंगल सी, it's given. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. This is from construction. And third one, AD is equal to AD. This is common in both the triangles. Therefore, triangle ADB is congruent to triangle ADC. By which rule? By angle, then side, angle, side rule. This rule means congruency. Therefore, AB is equal to AC. If two triangles are congruent, then their corresponding parts are equal. Corresponding parts means all the corresponding angles and all corresponding sides. So AB and AC are two corresponding sides by CPCT. Hence proved. So this was the theorem only. And now I'll explain one question on the basis of these theorems of exercise 7.2. Now, exercise 7.2, the first question, very first question of the exercise. And which is the question now? In an isosceles triangle ABC with AB is equal to AC. I'll make the figure first. In an isosceles triangle with AB is equal to AC, these two sides are equal. The bisectors of angle B and C intersect each other at O. एंगल B और C के बाइसेक्टर्स एक दूसरे को कहाँ पर मिलते हैं? O पर मिलते हैं. This is O. And now join A to O. A को O से join किया हुआ है. Now we have to show OB is equal to OC and AO is the bisector of angle A. To prove I will write. To prove मैं लिख देता हूँ, उससे पता रहेगा हमने क्या करना है. Given is तो mentioned in the figure. OB is equal to OC. This is the first part. Second, AO bisects angle A. This is. Now proof. First of all, observe the figure. Because the triangle ABC is isosceles, so as we have proved, the angles opposite to the equal sides are equal. अगर ये sides equal हैं तो ये angles भी equal होंगे. और अगर उनके half करते हैं, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, तो उनके half भी equal होंगे. So I'll write now. In triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC. This is given. Therefore, angle ABC is equal to angle ACB. And what is the result behind this? I'll write the reason. अगर sides equal हैं तो angles भी उनके सामने के equal होंगे. तो I'll write the reason. The theorem which we have proved, angles opposite to the equal sides are equal. And we have two parts of these angles, and these are the bisectors. This is angle 1 plus angle 2, and this is angle 3 plus angle 4. but angle 1 and angle 2 are equal, angle 3 and angle 4 are also equal. So we can write angle 1 because angle 1 and 2 are equal. Similarly angle 3 because angle 1 is equal to angle 2 and angle 3 is equal to angle 4. ये हमने क्यों लिखा है ऐसा? क्योंकि ये बाइसेक्टर्स हैं, ये गिवन है स्टेटमेंट में, VO CO दोनों बाइसेक्टर्स हैं, तो दोनों पार्ट्स इक्वल होंगे और ये भी इक्वल होंगे, क्योंकि बाइसेक्ट करते हैं. सो दिस इज ट्वाइस ऑफ एंगल 1, this is twice of angle 3, twice cancel, therefore angle 1 is equal to angle 3. Now look at this triangle OBC, दो एंगल्स इक्वल हैं इसके, तो उनके सामने की दोनों साइड्स भी इक्वल होंगी, अभी अभी थ्योरम हमने प्रूव की है. Therefore OB is equal to OC. रीजन क्या देंगे? The sides opposite to equal angles are equal. So this was the first part, OB is equal to OC. Now for the second part, AO bisects angle A. Now look at this and this triangle OAB and OAC, इन दोनों को देखें. ये हम प्रूव कर चुके हैं. OB is equal to OC, we have proved in the first part. This angle is equal to this, as 1 and 3 equal, 2 and 4 are also equal because these are bisectors of angle B and C, and AB is equal to AC, which is given. AB is equal to AC, this result is given, so we will use this, or we can use the side rule also. This side is equal to this proved, this side is equal to this proved, and this common. So both the results we can use in the paper, in the exam. This was the first part, this is the second part now. In triangle OAB and triangle OAC, OB is equal to OC, this is proved. We have proved this. Angle 2 is equal to angle 4 because of angle B is equal to angle C and OB and OC are bisectors of these angles. इन एंगल्स के बाइसेक्टर्स हैं ये, तो एंगल 2 एंगल 4 के इक्वल. एंड द लास्ट पार्ट, थर्ड, AB is equal to AC. This is given. Therefore triangle OAB is congruent to triangle OAC by which rule? Side angle side rule, by SAS rule. If two triangles are congruent, then we can say the corresponding angles are equal or corresponding parts are equal. Let this is 5 and this is 6. So this is 6. Therefore angle 5 is equal to angle 6 by CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangles. And if angle 5, angle 6 equal, then AO is the bisector. AO is the bisector of angle A. अगर 5, 6 इक्वल हैं तो AO क्या करता है? बाइसेक्ट करता है एंगल को. Therefore, AO bisects angle A, hence proved. So that's all for this video. In the next video, I will discuss the rest of the questions of the exercise. Thank you and have a nice day.